Let's work on some PowerPoint animations. So I'll click on my slide, and the basic steps in animating text or objects is to select, set the animation, set the timing, and add more animations if needed. So I'll start by selecting my text. The Animations tab up here has a listing of the different animations. When I hover my mouse pointer over an animation, then I can see that previewed on my screen. Green animations represent entrance animations where that object or text will come in on the screen. Yellow animations refer to things that that object or text will do when it's on the screen. It doesn't enter, it stays there, but it makes its change. Red animations take the object off the screen. And multiple ones can be added to one animation. So if I add an entrance, that way, then the next step is to set the timing. Down in this section, the default start is on click, which means when this slide presents, I would need to then click my mouse to start the animation. If I want my presentation, though, to run smoothly, where I don't have to click my mouse multiple times, I'm going to change this to with previous. Since this is the first item on my slide, then when this slide opens, then it will automatically start this animation. The duration is roughly 2 seconds. It can be delayed if you want it to wait just a moment before presenting. Now another thing over here, I'll close this. It might be easier to use the animation pane because then you can see a listing of the animations that you've applied. So right now I have just one animation applied here. I'll select this text here. I'll add an animation, and I'll have it do a color pulse once it's there. Again, I would need to make sure that it starts, this time I would say it after previous, because what that means is the animation would present, and then after previous it would pulse. I'll check this out. I'll click on play. There it goes. And then it did its slight pulse there. Okay. Now, if I pick a picture, same things apply. I'll go through and I'll have that picture bounce in. So there, it's been added over here. I want these things to happen in order, so I will have that happen after previous, so it would happen after the other text objects coming in. And then I'll add an exit. We'll have it bounce away. Whoops, and I did that wrong, so let me go back up here, add my bounce to have it come in, and I forgot to click my add animation, and I'll have it bounce away then. So I have two animations applied to my picture. I'll make sure there's my picture, and I'll have that after previous with a delay of 2 seconds. Play the whole thing. There's my text, pulse, bounce in. It should wait 2 seconds and then bounce away. If I want to see how that looks in my slideshow, there's my first slide. I'll click my mouse. There comes my object, bouncing in, waiting for 2 seconds, and bouncing away.